Hi, I'm Alan Pope, developer advocate at InfluxDB on Telegraph.
I'm Maya, and I'm a software engineer on the Telegraph team at InfluxDB. Today we're going to talk about Telegraph configuration files.
So Telegraph uses TOML for configuration. What's TOML?
TOML is a file structure that's going to help Telegraph know exactly what you're trying to accomplish.
And what's TOML's main purpose?
TOML's main purpose is to be easy to write and easy to read. It'll hash out into tables for Telegraph to use efficiently.
And what are some of the things to keep in mind with TOML?
There's two things to keep in mind when you're using TOML. The first one is that order matters. This file.tags is at the bottom of the input it belongs to, so you don't get a parse error. And the second is double brackets versus single brackets, but we'll touch more on that later.
What's the structure of the Telegraph config file?
Telegraph config files need at least one input and one output, so they know where to grab your data and where to put it. But in our example here, we also have an agent section.
And why does the agent have single brackets, whereas the others have double brackets?
The agent is in a single bracket because there can only be one agent per Telegraph config file. Inputs and outputs, there can be multiple. You could have as many plugins as you'd like, so they are in double.
And can I have multiple instances of the same plugin?
Yes, you could have not only as many plugins as you'd like, but as many copies of the same plugin.
Cool. Can you walk us through this example we've got here?
Yes. So first with the agent, we're setting our interval to 60 seconds. Whatever's not set will go to a default value. The first inputs.file, we're getting a temp.out file. It's an influx line protocol. We're going to add a tag of sensor type equals thermostat, so we have more metadata to know exactly where the metrics are coming from. In the second inputs.file, we have two files. You could have as many files as you'd like. Here we have weather and location, and they're both CSV files. Then we're going to send it to our local InfluxDB with all of our credentials, so we know our metrics are getting there.
Awesome. And is there documentation for each of these plugins?
Yes, each plugin has a README with all the information you need to know.
That's awesome. Thanks, Maya.
I hope this helped. I can't wait to see what you build.